Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can turn off active status on Instagram. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Instagram application. Once you open, you simply need to click on profile in the right bottom and click on three bars on the top right and click on settings and privacy. Here you need to scroll down and click in under how others can interact with you. Click on messages and story replies and click on show activity status. And here you can see show activity status. So you simply need to click here and now you can see that it is turned off. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.